The choice of working elements, whether made from pure boron steel, welded or with cemented carbide, depends on many factors, including specific working conditions, soil type, frequency of use, and budget. Opting for enhanced solutions primarily provides long-term operation without the need for frequent replacements, as well as better quality of the performed tasks. Due to their long assumed useful life, the price of such working elements is often significantly higher than that of standard equipment for Rolmako tillage machines. It is therefore worth making sure that the purchase makes sense for the specific farm. In the calculation, however, one should not only consider the price in relation to the lifespan. Often an unpredictable factor is the additional time and labor required to perform their replacement. In some farms, the coulters are replaced almost daily, and every minute spent on the maintenance is a minute of downtime. If replacement also requires travel in a given farm, fuel consumption must be additionally considered. Here is a brief summary of the properties and advantages of each of those solutions. Hardened boron steel. Among the advantages of boron steel is that it is very durable and wear resistant compared to traditional steels. Its properties are further enhanced by hardening. It is relatively low in acquisition cost. As for the disadvantages, although it is stronger than traditional steels, under certain conditions it may wear out faster than other more specialized materials. Welded elements. Hard facing involves applying a layer of material with very high hardness and resistance to wear and damage to the surface of a given element. This involves melting a special welding alloy or hard-facing wire onto the element's surface and then transforming it into a solid, durable layer, which can significantly increase the element's durability and wear resistance, especially in areas of greatest contact with the soil. Welded working elements are suitable for stony, tough working conditions. This is the best compromise between price and quality. However, it is not a solution without drawbacks. The quality of hard facing can vary depending on the manufacturer and the process. Sometimes the improved elements can be less durable in places where the hard facing layer is thin or unevenly applied. Therefore, it is essential to choose quality, proven components, such as those used in Rolmako for the first assembly. Cemented carbide. Tungsten carbide is a very hard and wear-resistant material, often used for making cutting parts or elements operating under conditions requiring exceptional durability. These plates are made by sintering tungsten carbide powder at high temperatures and pressures. Cemented carbides are extremely hard and wear-resistant. They are known for having a very long service life compared to other materials, even under very harsh conditions. As for cons, they are certainly the most expensive to purchase compared to other solutions. Moreover, although they are very hard, they can be more prone to cracking or breaking under significant stress as they are less flexible than steel. They are not recommended for working in fields with numerous stones. The answer to the question of how much more durable the reinforced working elements are compared to standard ones is not clear-cut. In the case of so-called tungsten tiles, durability is typically declared to be 6 to even 10 times higher. Of course, everything depends on the soil conditions we are dealing with. In the case of humus soils free of quartz, the wear of standard elements may be so low that investing in reinforced parts may be economically less justified. On the other hand, in light soils with a high quartz content, using such elements may be the only sensible solution. Assuming that a reinforced element works at least 6 times longer, during this time we would have to spend significantly more on standard coulters, and to those costs we must also add the mounting bolts and the labor hours of the servicing person. And while in small cultivation machines the work is usually relatively little, the situation looks a bit worse if we are dealing, for example, with a cultivator with several dozen tines. Thus, we gain more than just shorter machine servicing downtimes, which translates to more time and greater possibilities in terms of meeting agricultural deadlines. Additionally, reinforced working elements maintain their properties longer, resulting in sustained good work quality, particularly in terms of depth, which positively affects seedling uniformity. Maintaining the proper parameters also means less resistance and fuel savings. Often the fact that an element holds its parameters longer also reduces the wear of other components. Positive experiences from users of Rolmako cultivation machines who are already using various types of agricultural aggregates equipped with reinforced parts confirm that prudence of purchasing quality soil tilling parts. Good reviews and recommendations among farmers greatly influence the purchasing decisions of subsequent customers. When it comes to overall durability and costs, boron steel can be a good choice for many farmers. Reinforced versions are resistant to intensive use and provide efficient performance in various soil conditions. If you work on particularly tough soils where wear is intensive, hard-faced or cemented carbide elements offer better durability. When it comes to budget, welded and tungsten carbide elements are a more expensive choice, but their longer lifespan can ultimately bring savings in the long-term use. Typically, Rolmako cultivation machines, with few exceptions, are equipped with working elements made of boron steel for an additional fee. Machines with welded working elements or cemented carbide can be ordered. Higher financial outlays on optional chisels, working elements, etc. will always pay off through significantly longer service life and more hectares worked. This will shorten the downtime needed for replacing worn parts. Optional components aim to provide farmers with high quality, durability, and work efficiency, which translates into increased productivity and profitability of farms. However, it should be remembered that cemented carbide can be problematic in fields with stones. Year by year, more and more machines at Rolmako are being assembled with reinforced working elements variants. Of course, when deciding to purchase them, soil conditions must be taken into account. This is the most important aspect. As for the disadvantages of such a solution, a considerable amount of money needs to be spent on reinforced elements at once. And it's more of a pity if such an element gets lost during work, although the most expensive ones often have additional mounting holes. It should be added that Rolmako is constantly growing and introducing more modern and durable cultivation solutions to meet the increasing demands of many markets. Awareness of the advantages and benefits that reinforced working elements provide significantly contributes to their increasing popularity in the agricultural market. If you wish to delve into the secrets of increasing yields and achieving higher efficiency in cultivation, we invite you to visit our comprehensive agricultural guide available at the link knowhowrolmako.com. In our guide, we thoroughly discuss over 50 topics related to agriculture. You will find not only information on different soil types, but also ways to shape their properties, which are crucial for the growth of healthy and abundant crops. Additionally, we will provide tips on how to meet eco-scheme guidelines, which can help you receive additional funding for your agricultural activities. Our guide is not only a source of knowledge, but also a practical tool to help you in your daily work in the field. Whether you are an experienced farmer or a beginner, our articles contain useful tips and strategies that can improve the efficiency of your agricultural activities. Don't wait any longer. Visit our website today and start your journey to even greater successes in agriculture.